Good morning, my people. I am so anxious. I am so just a bunch of everything. I really try not to be angry. Well, actually, honestly, I don't feel angry. I'm annoyed and I am fed up and I'm anxious most of all. Our stuff did not come on Friday because of the weather. Now, that is a very understandable cause, and as I have said to the moving company, I would never in any universe endanger somebody's life for me to receive my items. However, our appointment was at 11, an appointment that they made me pay for. Otherwise, it would be between 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. or 6 a.m. to 6 p.m., something like that. And they told me, or was it 8 a.m., 8 p.m.? I don't remember, but it was a huge time gap. And they require for us to have the manpower to unload the truck, blah, blah, blah. Therefore, you need to hire a moving company. But how can I hire a moving company if you don't know what time you'll be here? And I asked to book a specific time, and I had to pay £50, right? So I paid that £50 for them to deliver it at 11 a.m. yesterday. I called at 11:10. I'm like, can you tell me where the driver is? Because the moving company is here. I received a call at around 11:30 or maybe it was 11:20, somewhere there. And they're like, well, they call my husband. They tell him, we have to cancel due to the weather. The driver is stuck in Birmingham. Birmingham is 4 hours away from here, and that is where our stuff was originally. Therefore, the driver never got in that truck. So if he had to be here at 11 a.m., then it means he had to start driving 4 hours before that. So in between that time, no one thought of calling me to tell me that he never got in the truck. So I had to pay a cancellation fee for the moving company and reschedule for Monday. Now, Monday, they told me, well, if the ice melts, if everything's okay, we're gonna book you for 2 p.m. to see if everything's okay. You book a specific time for your stuff and you pay for the booking for your stuff to be delivered at a specific time. I hired the moving company again. Now, mind you, I'm gonna have to pay a cancellation fee again if they cancel, or the full price. I don't know, because I'm wasting their time at this point and they're wasting my time. I don't have a problem with the moving company charging me the cancellation fee, like rightfully so, you should charge me, but the other company should offer to pay that. They are so freaking unorganized, so rude, right? I never got an apology. What I got on the phone was, well, what do you want me to say? Well, do you want us to control the weather? I never said anything about the weather. Never. I never said a single thing about the weather. I said he should not be driving if the weather is bad. All I said was that I should have received a call hours ago. What she's telling me is, well, the office opens at 9. Okay, so then call me at 9. Call me at 9. She asked me, should we give your information to the driver? You didn't? You didn't give him my number? What if you got the wrong house? How's he gonna find it? Then I received an email later saying, we are sorry again. Again? When did you originally apologize? Like, the woman, there were 2 women. One was nice, the other one was rude. And she spoke to the guy that was here with the moving company. He also said that she's, yeah. Anyway, so our stuff is meant to come on Monday. Now, hopefully that will get sorted. I read the reviews on this company. Horrible reviews. I would never hire them. And the only reason that my stuff is with them is because I hired a moving company from Cyprus, and that's the company they collaborate with. I would not hire a company with reviews like that. I read reviews. Good morning. Long time no speak. So much has happened. Like, I've been so freaking busy. You guys, our stuff came from Cyprus. And this is a laundry, ignore it. And it was chaos. When I sit down later, I will tell you guys more about that. However, today I am going to go get my nails done. That, as you know, I have been literally growing since December. So I'm really excited to get them done. I will show you guys the result. I really miss just recording a video. Sorry, I just got a text. I really miss just recording like a video. I've been making shorts on TikTok and just posting them here for a while because I didn't have time to film anything. But I will be posting a lot more.
Even on your symptomatic, because she was a dual athlete.
That's cool. Yeah. I literally wasn't gonna mute this.
Oh, my fault.
Like, I don't mute this stuff. I love my bag. Guys, I'm going to leave this video here, and I actually did not. You can walk, you know that, right? I did not realize that I recorded so much. I actually think this is a good video, regardless of the ups and downs we've been having. Anyway, I wish you guys could see, because this is an example of things my husband does when he knows I get overstimulated. Anyway, yeah, I will leave this video here. Go on my TikTok, because I started a new series where I post like the thrift finds that I get and like vintage shopping and all that. Even though I did start posting them on YouTube as well, but on TikTok I post a lot more, and I usually put out a lot of videos during the day. So yeah, please take care of yourself, and I will see you next time. Oh, these are my nails as well.